Hey guys, this is an unboxing of the Shimano XC300 mountain bike shoes. So these are for SPD cleats. I bought these for gravel biking and just regular commuting. My old shoes were also Shimano's and the heels are pretty worn on them. They kind of function still, but I thought it's time to upgrade to something lighter and something easier. These were an EU size 43, and I read on the website where I ordered these from that you should take one size larger in the EU size, so I went with 44. So in the US size that would be, I think, half a size larger. The MSRP on this is 120 euros. Bought these from Sport OK in Germany and the price was around 70 euros, so I think it's very good value. The shoes are quite a bit lighter than my old Shimano shoes, and they have this BOA mechanism for tightening the shoes, which I tried out at some store and I kind of like it, so I think this was one of the cheapest shoe models which had that. The package didn't have the SPD cleats, which was kind of a disappointment because I was thinking that they would come with the SPD cleats, but luckily I have some new cleats from, I guess, some extra from maybe a previous order. In my opinion, the build quality looks very good on the shoes, and I'm expecting these to last me a long time. So even though I'm not going to use them for mountain biking, I'm going to use them on this gravel bike. The pedal looks like this. I have always preferred this SPD cleat rather than a road bike cleat. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. And if you want to see my video on installing the cleats, check out this one next. Thanks for watching.